Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on the principles of graphic design. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, understanding the principles of graphic design is essential to creating effective and visually appealing designs. In this video, we will be discussing the key principles of graphic design and how to apply them in your work. 1. Balance. Balance is an essential principle of graphic design that refers to the distribution of visual weight in a design. There are three types of balance: symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. Symmetrical balance refers to a design where elements are mirrored on either side of a central axis. Asymmetrical balance, on the other hand, refers to a design where elements are arranged in a way that is not mirrored but still achieves balance. Radial balance is when elements are arranged around a central point. To achieve balance, you must ensure that there is an equal distribution of visual weight throughout the design. This can be achieved by using color, contrast, and size to balance out the elements in the design. 2. Contrast. Contrast is a principle that refers to the differences in visual properties between two or more elements in a design. Contrast can be achieved through the use of color, size, shape, and texture. Contrast is essential in creating visual interest and making the design stand out. When using contrast in your design, it's important to consider the purpose of the design and the message you want to convey. Too much contrast can be overwhelming and distract from the message, while too little contrast can make the design dull and uninteresting. 3. Repetition. Repetition is a principle that refers to the repeating of elements in a design. This can be achieved through the use of color, shape, texture, or typography. Repetition helps to create a sense of unity and consistency in the design. When using repetition in your design, it's important to ensure that the repeating elements are not too similar or too different. If the repeating elements are too similar, the design can become monotonous, while if they are too different, the design can become chaotic. 4. Proximity. Proximity is a principle that refers to the grouping of elements in a design. This can be achieved through the use of white space, color, or placement. Proximity helps to create a sense of organization and hierarchy in the design. When using proximity in your design, it's important to ensure that the elements that are grouped together are related to each other. This helps to create a visual hierarchy and makes the design easier to navigate. 5. Alignment. Alignment is a principle that refers to the positioning of elements in a design. This can be achieved through the use of grids or guides. Alignment helps to create a sense of order and balance in the design. When using alignment in your design, it's important to ensure that the elements are aligned to a common axis. This helps to create a sense of unity in the design and makes it easier to read. 6. Hierarchy. Hierarchy is a principle that refers to the arrangement of elements in a design in order of importance. This can be achieved through the use of size, color, contrast, or placement. Hierarchy helps to create a visual structure and guide the viewer's eye through the design. When using hierarchy in your design, it's important to ensure that the most important elements are given prominence. This helps to communicate the message effectively and makes the design more engaging. Conclusion. In conclusion, the principles of graphic design are essential to creating effective and visually appealing designs. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, understanding these principles can help you to create designs that communicate your message effectively and stand out from the crowd. So, the next time you're designing, remember to consider balance, contrast, repetition, proximity, alignment, and hierarchy. If you like this video, then like and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.